We haven't even finished cleaning up the fan mail. I'm not even done editing the fan mail video.
Sorry, I'm feeling
She
very
just
snacky.
can't
I had an
handle
early
it.
dinner
Just
because we went to church and then we came home.
I had an early dinner,
And now I'm
and I
very
want to
sick.
stuff my face, and you can't teach that.
So I got into this.
I'm a certified Grim. Did you see the certified Grim shirt?
Why is it shaped like a cookie? It's making me hungry.
Well, let's eat. What do we got in the Try Treats?
From Poland.
Discount code Grimm's Toy Show. Grimm's
This
Toy
is what
Show.
we'll be
Grimm's Toy
finding
Show.
in our-
You'll have some Try Treats on Grimm's Toy Show. Grimm's Toy Show.
Steer clear of the chocolate hard candy you can have.
I don't want to eat anything hard. That's your job.
Nobody laughs at that. They said, ew, Grimm's so retarded.
No, they don't.
I
They
don't know
think
what
I'm
this
funny.
is because it's not even, usually it's written like in the corner in English too, but it's all in Polish.
It says
But they look green and they look hard, so you
Esserwich.
can have them.
It's ass licorice. That's what it says. I translated it for you. Nailed it.
Don't you know Polish? Tell me what this is.
I just told you.
All right, well, he's going to have to test this one because I don't like hard candy.
I thought we were going to eat.
Oh, whoa.
What is it?
Smell the bag. As soon as I
Oh, I thought you said smell the vag. It's like, all right, then.
smell your own. Oh, gosh, that smells like, when you walk into a doctor's office, that smell that hits you, like the
Yeah.
medical supplies.
Medical supplies and ass.
This smells like. This
Like if somebody shoved medical supplies up their ass, this is what it smells like.
Let's open it and let's just take a look at what it looks like.
Mm.
Oh, I can't eat this. This is like what your doctor prescribes you for hemorrhoids. You like gotta shove that up your butt.
What do we got over here? Couple of suppositories.
Well,
Let me taste it.
has a familiar taste.
Tastes like mint mayonnaise. Mayo.
Minty.
I taste minty
I
mayo.
can't eat that. It's super strong.
Candy in the mouth and it's gonna taste gross.
I can't stand you.
Right into the camera. Right into the solid steel
Before it goes on
screen.
the carpet, get it off your crotch.
It's sitting on my... What do we got over here? We got some crotch candy. You want to eat the crotch
waffles.
candy?
It looks like they sent us waffles.
Obese
You
mode!
know I'm so hungry, and we've yet to get to something that I like. Look, we got more of these things.
Open it. I can't open it if I'm holding the camera over here.
Okay.
I can't open it holding the camera over here. I just want to have a waffle. Ooh, there's the waffle cookies. Waffle cookies are my favorite. It's my favorite. Mmm. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, my God.
These are sugar cookies.
Oh.
I don't do the sounds.
Mm.
Don't do the sounds.
What
Don't do the sounds because it sounds gross.
Mmm. Mmm.
You're making me lose my appetite. Sounds like you're on the toilet pushing. Stop and get that off.
I'm making love to the cookies.
I'm gonna throw up. I'm really gonna
I
gag.
gotta make love to somebody. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Alright, I need some chocolate in my life right now.
I
Here.
need some badge in my life if you got any guess.
Well, you have one right there, so you have your own. Don't be a pig. Seriously. Alright, we gotta get to these. This looks really good.
What do you got over here? A couple of
There's
chocolates.
chocolate.
Couple of
It's
chocolates.
the only thing that I see in here that has chocolate. So I got. Stop, seriously,
What?
with the sounds. I can't.
What?
I can't.
What's the matter if I make a
can't.
sound or not?
I can't. Well, just stop. If like I squeeze your nose, can you still make sounds? Try to make that sound because I can't stand it.
The next sound you're gonna hear is gonna come out of my butthole.
They're almost the same in cringiness. So
They have a good sound.
This one's melty. Oh, it
They also
smells
have
so
a
good. No. Mmm.
Well, now I got cookie juice all over my hands. Give me a couple of cookies. Ooh, they're all melted.
Stop. You don't need to.
They're all melted. I didn't know it was
a
two.
mess. We're gonna get
It's a cookie
has,
sandwich.
It tastes like a Jello.
Mm.
That was gross. It sounds like it came out of your butt finally after hours of pushing. That's what it
Why
sounds
gotta
like.
roast my eating sounds? That's how I sound
These
when
are so
I
good.
eat. When you haven't eaten in an hour and a half,
There's crumbs
it's
all
like
over
you never ate before.
There's crumbs all over your chest. It's really gross.
What do we got over here? A couple of crumbs.
Oh my god.
I guess you can say I got a crummy shirt. Oh!
Divorced. We're getting a divorce.
Why? Why? How come all of a sudden you want a divorce? You're a little salty Saurus Rex in my life that smashes up all my toys. Everybody says I should leave your ass.
I've been trying to divorce him for years. He won't get out.
That's why.
He
I won't get out. My house.
There's the
and
door.
I live here.
Mm-mm.
This is my house and I live here.
You can go live in Supergram's basement.
With my cousin, no thanks.
Because you look like a basement person.
And you look like a basement face.
Basement face.
Come on, get my...
All right, here's some chocolate.
Ooh.
I found it's like a wafer or something.
Prince Polo chocolate. Let's taste the bite, shall we?
Oh, it's melty. Everything's melty. Stop with the sounds. I can't handle it. I can't.
I don't even realize I do it. Oh, what do we got over here?
Can you stop screaming in my ear and just
We
let
got
me
a little bit of
eat in
melty
peace?
chocolate. Ooh, let me bite it.
Let me bite it first before you slobber all over it.
Why would you ever say that I'm going to slobber all over it? When have I ever slobbered all over anything?
Don't lick your fingers and then touch my food. I can't.
I didn't lick them. When
They
did I
look
lick them?
like-
Proof that I licked
They're
them.
brown and wet. Looks like you fondled your butt.
Fondled my butt. Maybe I fondled your butt. That's why
No.
they're brown and wet.
Uh-uh.
Yeah. Come on, give me a bite. I want to taste the bite.
I will in a
I
minute.
want to taste it.
Because once you got your
It
paws
looks
on
delicious.
it. Stop.
Give it to
the
me.
Sounds.
Stop it.
Just eat another waffle, will you?
Oh, there's more waffle
I'm
cookies down
enjoying
here.
This is really
Oh, those waffle cookies are delicious, and you can't teach that. Boy, what the hell kind of mess are you making?
good. I don't know. Go film you for a minute.
No, no. Now I'm never taking the camera off you.
Stop. I can't even look up.
Okay.
I think it's all over my face.
Mm.
Stop it with the sounds! I can't. I'm gonna use this tissue paper as a napkin.
You know what you could use as a napkin? The same thing I always use. Oh, my shirt.
You're so gross right now. You're so gross.
Oh,
All right, these things look interesting. Look, they're hearts and they're squishy. They're very squishy. They feel like Play-Doh.
Let's eat a Play-Doh heart.
Does it say what they are?
Play-Doh is a heart. I eat you, so let me know.
It doesn't say. At least not in English.
Oh my God, look.
Oh, they smell like cinnamon. I hate cinnamon.
What person hates cinnamon?
It smells like pure cinnamon, like nothing else is like
What do we got over here? A cup of haters.
It's not good.
Cup of haters.
I don't like cinnamon. Ew, it looks
Like
like,
a
a
nut.
butt hanging
I was
out
gonna
of
say,
your
it looks
mouth.
like nutsack hanging out of my mouth.
Oh my goodness, your fantasy came true.
What? What?
Ew, look, you keep shoving it in. and
Because
looking
it
at
looks
yourself.
funny. Look at it.
Like, oh, so this is what it feels like?
Really? Look, I'm not doing an impression of you.
No.
You like dragons?
I'm
Goodness,
not even
period
gonna even
dragons?
talk. These are hot.
Because I'll be dragging my
Maybe
balls
you're
on your chin in a minute. Like that.
That's disgusting.
You broke my tooth off! You broke my tooth!
I like good. I
That's
like
the tooth.
toothless men. I like that look. It gives you that.
You would like a toothless man.
authentic
Oh, hey there, Brandine. I ain't got no
Mountain
teeth.
Mountain man teeth. I like guys without teeth.
Hey there, Brandine. I ain't got no teeth. Look at me. I'm a mountain
Oh,
man.
this is gross.
What is it? Spit it out. Come on.
Not
Come
on
on.
the thing.
Come on. Don't
Please.
swallow.
I'm not going to.
Spit it out.
I'm going to. So just turn it that way. Turn it that way.
Let's turn this way.
No.
Come on, just spit it out, man.
Try
Oh, by the way, these are disgusting.
Oh, I got it out. Oh, it was terrible. And I told you this. Look, it does. It's probably.
They're like some type of bullshit biscuit.
It looks like if you could feel the texture, it's like a couch cushion. Like someone
Yeah.
just ripped it out of the couch.
It's a bullshit
and
biscuit made of
coated it in
couch
some
cushions.
Cinnamon.
Bullshit
Shaped it into a heart.
biscuit made of couch
Let's
cushions.
try these things.
What are they? Rack
I don't
six.
know, but let's.
They've
both-
sent us those before.
They did?
I've seen
How
those
come I
things
don't remember?
before.
Here, you try one.
No, open it for me. I'm holding the damn camera.
Oh, they're hard, so you're gonna do it.
That's what she said.
How many times are you gonna say that? How many times?
Oh, 3 or 4.
Everybody's over it.
Oh, 3 or 4.
Another pill. A butt pill, a hemorrhoid pill. Shove it up your butt.
I'm going to
Is there anything else?
go. Oh,
Oh, it touched my finger.
Oh, gross.
Come on.
It was disgusting.
Oh, and then they sent us pretzel sticks.
Yeah. I wonder who they're salty just like.
Aha.
Salty of the pretzels.
Butt salty.
You're
You never
salty.
wash it.
That doesn't make it salty. That makes it sweaty and stinky. Huh? Salty.
Yeah. Isn't sweat salty? Yeah, it is.
They're just like pretzel
Save these
sticks.
for the Grimettes. They like pretzel sticks.
All right, again. Is there anything else in there? Is that it?
Wait, there's
Are we
something-
done?
There's
We have
something.
tried the treats. The treats have been tried.
So far, all I like is the cookie.
The treats have been tried. What do you got there? Banana.
As long
Do,
as you
do, 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 do. Banana. Look, it's called.
I'll get it out for you because you're too messy.
It's called banana. Do, do,
Oh,
do, do,
they're
do.
all stuck
Can
together.
you show the package so I can show everybody
I'm
that it's
sorry.
called banana?
Is that what it's called? No, it's AHA.
It's ah.
Haha, because the joke's on you because it's terrible. Crunch. When it went in your mouth. How are we going to get you cleaned up? I'm going to have to just roll you outside and shake you off. What are you doing?
It's so gross. It's
Right.
stuck.
Ugh.
Oh, I was
Color-
stuck.
Look, it's the color of his teeth. Smile so they can see the color of your teeth.
You're fuck.
It's a perfect match.
Fuck you. It was stuck to my tongue. I couldn't get it out.
Let me see your teeth. Let me see your teeth. You need to floss.
You need to bathe.
I just bathed. I'm clean.
What the hell is that raunchy fish odor?
It's you!
It's not.
It's probably all the food caught in your beard.
Wait, maybe it is. Well, that's Dry Treats. Please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. Grim out.